Hello everybody, welcome to Mix Workshop. Today we're just going to do a quick unboxing of a D-bit grinder.
Okay, so exciting stuff. New tool day. I picked this up from the FedEx freight yesterday afternoon in the middle of a snowstorm. From Shaw's. I've seen a couple people on YouTube have these. And of course I can't resist a new tool. So that was cut open already. Pick that up later. In case you haven't guessed, it's a D-bit grinder. Yep, looks just like all the other unboxing videos I've seen of it. Screwdrivers, the belt, the drill bit sharpening attachment, additional 5C collets, can't remember if it comes with 4 or 5. And the tool to remove the grinding wheel. Some Allen wrenches. Some knobs. Washer. Some Allen screws. Another collet. The attachment to grind lathe tools. Small grinding wheel. Another one. Thicker. I thought this came with a diamond. The main tool for grinding in mills. Okay, the diamond wheel is on it. Matches pretty much everything I've seen of everybody else unboxing one of these. And there she is. A couple of the videos I've been watching, people doing research on, or doing introductory videos on how to use this thing. I think wasn't Blondie Hacks. I forgot who it was who did the best one that I've seen. But one of them I was watching the other day, a couple of years old. Guy kept insisting that the only way to make this head go back and forth, rotate this way, was to use this knob. When in reality, the knob is to serve as a stop, and you move it manually. So there's a little bit of misinformation out there on some of this stuff. People didn't bother to read, or maybe it's not even clear in the manual, I don't know. But we shall see. And the fifth collet is in the chuck. Unfortunately, these are all the 5C collets I have right now. Nothing else I have uses 5C. So, after we get it cleaned up, figure out what I'm going to put it on to use it, we'll try some of this stuff out and I'll shoot another video and show you some of it. Almost forgot. There was a second box with it because I ordered some additional parts. Gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed with the responsiveness and the customer service with the people at Shars. Very nice to work with, very nice people. So I got some additional hubs, I guess they're called, for mounting wheels. This was at the recommendation of Robin Renzetti in one of his videos on this particular grinder. Otherwise, every time you, if you only have the one hub, every time you got to put a new wheel on, you have to rebalance it. New catalog. Oops. And yep, and the other diamond wheel I ordered. Pretty cool.
All right, well, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you later. Bye.